You got it?
Yeah.
Oh, I got stuck there. Keep going! Go, go, go! Keep on going! Keep going, we just now got the cameras out. Nigga's trying to fuck it up, ain't he? Where's he going? That's it, flip right
Oh,
there.
there's a tub right there too, a big old bathtub right there.
Hit it!
He's finna flip with you.
Keep riding, ride, ride! Yeah, he's sitting around the middle now. Ain't even fucking that field up. And wait till I go to cut that field. There ain't gonna be no telling what's in that field.
Ain't nothing. Well, come off his truck.
Wait for his tires to drop.
Look at all the grass.
It really ain't fucking it up because it's all grass. Whoa! Don't do it out here.
Shit, I bet that motherfucker is.
I'm ready to one. He's still going. Yeah! Yes! We got that shit on camera. Oh, I knew something was gonna fuck up. Hey,
my transmission went out on the way over here.
what did I tell you? Thanks, prick. You're supposed to take your camera first.
That motherfucker's hot as fuck.
It's over. Ain't nothing you gonna be able to do. It's over.
Sit back up for that.
Look anyway.
Holy shit.
I'll take you to strap you up.
Just grab that bitch. Take all of them. Take all of them.
Give it to like,
And he ain't